Well, it is a Pyros. Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a shell kit, the Grim Reaper shells. They come in 24 shells in a pack. There's 3 of them in a case for 72 shots. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Pulled one out of the wrapper for you. Take a look at that wrap. Pretty sick looking. Nice and scary. Got some decent weight to it. As you can see, like I said, it's got 4 sleeves of 6 in each box. Let's take a look. Got your fiberglass tube here. If I don't drop it. Grim Reaper. Nice little wrap on that too. Pretty cool looking shells. I shot the 8-inch 8-ball shells last year, and those were a mix of shells. As everybody probably knows what these are. So I'll get the price posted for you when I edit the video. Don't have my paper in front of me, but I think it was three something, so it was a little over 100 a box. But I'll post that on there when I edit the video, let you know for sure. But let's take it out and see how she looks. I can feel it in my chest. That was an extra shell I threw in there.